Hello everyone. Today I would like to doing some presentation about explaining my typology about access control list. But before we go into start, I'll introduce myself. My name is Helen Kijana Fetisian, or you can call me Eza, and I'm from class A with NEM 2023-32035. Let's going to the explanation. I already opened up my Cisco in here, but I'm sorry because I'm using the newest version of the Cisco because I can open up the latest one and it was auto to the newest. So here we go. It was still the same, okay? In here we need to put three device. The three device it was no, for the type is fourth type of device, but for the PC is three, the server is one, the switch is two, and the router is one. Then we need to doing some connection to connect PC to switch, then switch to router. We need to using straight cable. Why? Because it was a different device. If you want to connect PC to PC, like and here to here, you can use the cross. Okay, the cross cable. Then after we put it all and doing some connection, we can tap down the PC or device. Then you can going to the interface for the I'm using Ethernet 0 in here. You can input the IPv4 address. It was 192.168.1.2, but the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. It was same for all of the device, so you just need to type down the IPv address. Why in here I'm using 1.2, and if you open up the under of the PC 0, you can see in here I'm using 1.3. Why? Because 1.1 is the IP for the switch. It was for the left side. Then we're going to the right side. The right side, you can see the server. Type down and going to the interface, which is the Ethernet 0. And here you can see I'm using 2.2, and the under it, the PC one is using 2.3. As you can see, and you can remember, of course, the left side we're using 1.1 to the switch, and it was the same for the right side. We're using 2.1 for the switch. After all of that, we can going to configuration the switch to the switch. In here, you need to open the CLA, then we can type down enable for doing some no shutdown in here. Okay, then you can, after you doing some enable, you can type then config for the configuration, config T. Then you can type the interface in if a o point slash o. It was for the left side, enter, and you can type down the IP address. Sorry. And the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then you can enter and no shutdown. It was already the green at the beginning, but it was, if you want to know, when you doesn't doing no shutdown in here, it was red. Then after that, we can go into exit and going to doing some configuration for the NFA1 slash 0. Sorry. 0. Yep. And you can type down the right side. The subnet mask. And not shut down. After that, you can see in here it was already green, but if you don't know, before we doing this, it was red. Okay, then we need to exit and still exit. Yep. the router is already clear, then we're going to doing some access list for the access control list. Okay, we need to doing some echo in here. For echo is you can using access set list, access list 101 deny SCMP, the SCMP host. It was calling the host of the left side and the right side. Uh, that's why you need to put the 1.2 and 2.2. And don't forget to doing some echo. Sorry, 101 access list. If I doesn't, oh, 101 deny ICMB. Ah, sorry. I need to doing some config. Sorry. Okay, guys. We need to still put config. Yep. Then we can doing the um access. Okay, we need to type down again. List 101 deny ICMP host the left side. Then ICMP host of the right side. After that, you can using the permit of any key, any access list 101 permit IP any array. Then you can type down the forward in FA0.0. Then IP access group. Yep. After we're doing this, you can see in here when you're doing some simulation, it will be sent to the router. It will be said it was successful if I'm done it if I doesn't wrong. Yep, like that. Mm-hmm. Maybe just that I can explain to you guys. I'm so sorry if I have a wrong type of error, maybe or code. I'm so sorry for that, but thank you for watching. Bye bye.